The Venetian Las Vegas, including its connected Palazzo casino, has one of the largest and most extensive slot selections on the Las Vegas Strip. They offer over 2,000 slot machines, including video slots, traditional real slots, and video poker, spread across massive casino floors. Key details on the slots variety includes penny slots, starting at 1 cent, all the way up to high-limit machines, that's up to $5,000 per spin in the dedicated High-Limit Slots Salon. Popular types and themes: classic reels, multi-line/multi-coin video slots, interactive bonus games, branded titles, and progressive jackpots, some with mega jackpots ranging from hundreds to over $10 million. Specific highlights: dedicated Buffalo zones, featuring popular Buffalo Series games and variants. Progressive machines like Wheel of Fortune variants, e.g., past big wins on Wheel of Fortune Gold Spin Triple Gold. New and themed games, e.g., Monopoly Express, House of the Dragon, Kong Skull Island, Cash Chain, Hot Stuff Spin Frenzy, and many others that rotate in. Extensive video poker options. High-limit areas, private, luxurious salons with 100-plus machines where you can often request favorite branded games. They emphasize having the most extensive selection in Vegas, with unique themes and the latest machines. As for whether it's a place where you can win, yes, people do win, and sometimes big, at the Venetian. The casino regularly highlights large jackpots, e.g., $1 million plus progressives on slots, and even record table game progressives. Player stories on forums like Reddit and YouTube videos show sessions with significant wins, thousands or more, and the property posts recent winners. That said, slots are games of chance with a built-in house edge. On the Strip, including the Venetian, slot machine RTP, return to player, typically averages in the low to mid 90% range overall, often lower for pennies, around 86 to 91% in older surveys for nickel/penny equivalents, and potentially better for higher denominations. The house always has an edge long term. You lose a small percentage of every bet on average, so most players lose over time, but short-term wins are common and possible. It's entertainment first, set a budget, play responsibly, and join their Venetian Rewards program for comps and perks while spinning. If you're heading there, check their Winner's Circle page or the casino floor for the latest hot machines and jackpots. The Venetian Las Vegas, including the connected Palazzo, publicly highlights major slot wins through their Winner's Circle page, social media, like Facebook posts, and news coverage, but they don't release a comprehensive, exhaustive list or official yearly total of every slot payout over specific thresholds like $2,000 or $10,000. Casinos aren't required to disclose all hand pays publicly, only major ones for PR, and smaller wins, even over $2,000, often go unreported beyond IRS W-2G forms for tax purposes. From available public reports, news articles, and casino announcements for 2025, payouts over $10,000, focusing on notable/reported slot jackpots. Several high-profile ones were publicized, especially progressives and high-limit hits. Confirmed reported slot wins over $10,000, actually far higher, in the 6 to 7-figure range, include October 2025, $2,268,757.41 on Buffalo Power Pay, from an $11.25 bet. August 2025, $1,064,095 on $1 million Dragon Link, from a $25 spin. November 2025, $1,140,529 on $1 million Dragon Link, from a $125 spin. June 2025, $1,142,215 on $1 million Dragon Link, from a $250 bet. November 2025, $835,512.93 on an unspecified slot, from an $8 bet. Other mentions of $1 million plus Dragon Link hits and similar progressives. These are the publicized ones, mostly grand/progressive jackpots in high-limit areas. News sources, e.g., Review Journal, 8 News Now, Casino Press, describe these as part of a pattern of multiple $1 million plus slot jackpots at the Venetian in 2025. One report called a $2.2 million win the sixth jackpot over $1 million at the resort that year, though not all specified as slots versus tables. Realistically, the number of reported/publicized slot payouts over $10,000 is at least 5 to 7, focusing on those explicitly tied to slots, but the true total, including unreported smaller high-limit or non-progressive wins over $10,000, is likely higher, possibly dozens, given the casino size and volume. Payouts over $2,000, no exact total exists publicly. The Venetian has thousands of slots, and with average RTPs around 90 to 93% on the Strip, many sessions produce wins over $2,000. Hand pays were required for $1,200 plus in 2025. The threshold rose to $2,000 starting 2026. Thousands of such payouts likely occurred across the year, but only the biggest get spotlighted. Smaller ones, e.g., $2,000 to $10,000, aren't tracked or shared in aggregate by the casino. In short, over $2,000, likely thousands, common for a massive casino like this, but no official count. Over $10,000, at least 5 to 10 publicized major ones, mostly $800,000 plus progressives, with the actual number higher but unquantified publicly. The Venetian Las Vegas, including the connected Palazzo, is largely the same as other major Strip casinos when it comes to slot play in terms of overall odds and looseness, meaning it's neither significantly better nor worse for winning in the long run. Here's a breakdown based on available data and player feedback as of early 2026. Overall Strip slot payback. RTP Strip casinos average around 92 to 93% payback, household 7-8%, across all denominations in recent Nevada Gaming Control Board reports for 2025. This includes penny slots, tighter, often 89-90% payback, up to higher denominations like $5 plus, looser, often 94-95% plus. The Venetian fits right in this range. It's a big Strip property with high volume, so no evidence of it being an outlier, e.g., older Wizard of Odds data showed it around 86 to 87% in some samples, but that's outdated and denomination specific. Modern Strip averages are similar across peers like Bellagio, Wynn, Caesars, Cosmopolitan, etc. No major differences in looseness. Public Nevada data doesn't break out per casino RTPs monthly anymore, only aggregated by area like Strip versus downtown, but player reports, Reddit discussions, and reviews consistently place the Venetian in the typical Strip tier. It's not known as unusually loose, like some off-Strip or downtown spots can be, or notoriously tight. Recent 2025 data even shows the Strip is slightly looser than downtown in some categories, e.g., overall holds 7.83% on Strip versus 8.3% downtown, countering the old myth that downtown is always better. What makes the Venetian stand out? Potentially better and experience massive selection, over 2,000 plus slots, one of the largest on the Strip, including tons of new titles, progressives, e.g., Dragon Link, Buffalo Series, branded games, and a dedicated high-limit salon. Frequent big publicized wins, as we discussed earlier, multiple $1 million plus jackpots in 2025, which can make it feel hotter short-term. Atmosphere and perks, luxurious, spacious floors with good cocktail service, easy comps via grazie rewards, especially if you're a mid-level player, and it's often praised for variety and comfort compared to more crowded spots like Caesars or MGM properties. Player reviews, e.g., TripAdvisor, Yelp, forums, often call the slots fun with good hits and sessions, but no widespread claims of superior payouts over Bellagio, Wynn, or Cosmo. Compared to specific competitors similar to Bellagio, Wynn/Encore, Cosmopolitan, these are all premium Strip spots with comparable RTPs, high-limit options, and big jackpots. Wynn sometimes gets a slight edge and luxury feel, but slots are equivalent. Versus Caesars Palace, Caesars can feel busier/louder, Venetian often wins for space and variety. Versus off-strip or locals casinos, e.g., Red Rock, locals favorites those can be looser, higher RTP, especially higher denominations, but they're not on the Strip. Versus Downtown, downtown averages slightly tighter overall recently, but has a rep for looser low-denom play in some spots. Bottom line, if you're chasing the absolute best mathematical edge on slots, head off Strip or play higher denominations anywhere, they're looser everywhere. But on the Strip, the Venetian is as good a spot as any, great for entertainment, variety, and the chance at big hits, without being noticeably better or worse odds-wise. It's more about your session luck, bankroll management, and enjoying the vibe. Join their rewards program for free play/perks to stretch your play. Play responsibly, set limits, and good luck if you're hitting the floor.
riflesso d'oro, un sogno si stende senza un decoro. Cammino su acque, ma non sono vere, le gondole cantano storie sincere. Oh Venezia viva, nel deserto che brilla, con maschere e stelle, la fortuna si infila. Qui il tempo si perde tra il falso e il reale. Oh Venezia viva, un amore fatale. Ponti sospesi su fiumi di niente, ma il cuore ci crede, si sente presente. Un palazzo di carte, un cielo dipinto e il vento di sabbia che soffia distinto. Le mani si stringono, il dado rotola, il destino danza, la notte consola. Oh Venezia viva, qui il tempo si perde tra il falso e il reale. Oh Venezia viva, un amore fatale. Le colonne raccontano di un mondo lontano, dove il sogno si compra con un gesto profano, ma il cuore si perde tra i giochi e le luci, un eco di laguna che qui mi seduce.